क्या आपने जो इशारों वाला क्या आपने सीखा या मतलब कैसे आपने ये सारा
बचपन से उसको पता है?
मैं बीवी को जो इशारे करता हूँ ना सर, मैं 10 साल हो गए मेरी शादी को, ठीक है, मैं बीवी को जो इशारे करता हूँ, मुझे लगा कि मेरे को ये इशारों वाला काम करना चाहिए, तो इससे यही मेरा ऑडिशन था। तो इन्होंने पूछा कि बीवी को इशारे कर तो क्या करते, मैं कहा यही करता हूँ, फिर डन, आप सिलेक्टेड हो।
फिल्म में रोल काफी अच्छा रहा होगा क्योंकि अभी तक आपके कॉमेडियन रोल ही देखे, लेकिन ये जो रोल आपका अलग से हटके हमने देखा ये।
थैंक यू सो मच, सो स्वीट ऑफ यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। But yeah, thank you so much, guys. This was yeah.
First of all, I think you all did, fantabulous job.
Have you sent us your online banking details? Just
Oh God.
Super work.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, so sweet of you. And
Thank you for coming.
actually,
no one
please-
asked you to make a speech.
No, I wanted to.
How did you come up with this story?
How did you come up with the story? Question.
I've answered this like 15 times since the morning.
No, they don't know.
But many things, but primarily there was a cafe in Bombay and there was a deaf mute waiter. It was Costa Coffee, and I think they had a policy of employing deaf mute people to give support to the community. And there was one of them who was very talkative in the sense he would come to you and he would try and make a conversation in sign, which of course at that point you felt handicapped because you can't communicate. And that cafe was sort of a hub for writers and people to do meetings and all that. So in my imagination I thought, what if he's one of the aspirants for film industry, and that sort of snowballed and it became.
Was it in a way inspired by Madras Cafe?
Was it inspired by Madras Cafe?
Not at all.
At
What
all.
is Madras Cafe?
So, what all sources did you kind of refer to for research? Because how much did you have access to?
What are the sources Atul referred to for research?
Yes.
Among other things, for this whole rivalry bit was Cowboys of Raw by I'm forgetting the name of the author now, but yeah, it's a very famous book. Yes. I'm sure people in Delhi.
Yes, ma'am, all the way at the back.
I just wanted to ask, do you guys still remember the sign language?
नहीं यार, we don't. आंखों ही आंखों में कह देते हैं okay good night, okay good night. But yeah, I think it's something you need to practice. It's been about a year and a half that
And
we
it's
shot.
not like we've completely forgotten, but I think if we can, because we spent a lot of time with it. We did. Apar and I worked on it. For
Please sit, relax.
I have a follow-up question.
That's okay.
Over a month, 2 months, I think.
Yeah.
It'll come back. It's a little rusty, but it'll come back. We'll get it back. If he decides to make
Berlin 2.
Berlin 2 since
तो हम कठिन परिश्रम करके आए.
with the name Berlin movie?
How did you come up with the name Berlin? I'm just repeating it because I guess
Yeah,
you guys can't hear the question, right?
Yeah, you were just showing off your projection.
I was about to.
like देखो मेरी बुलंद आवाज.
Why doesn't he?
Next
shut up?
question.
We can
Next
hear
question. Next question.
Came up with the name Berlin. How?
Yeah. Is it inspired from something or like the Berlin Cafe?
No, my idea was a German bakery, so to say. As a place, the inspiration was United Coffee House in Connaught Place, but or the Madras Coffee House, one of those places. But I sort of imagined it as a German bakery, and for that there are many reasons, but I will not delve into that at the moment. But yeah, that's how it came up.
Why don't we do a commercial release of such films? I think there's a lot of audience which is looking for meaningful cinema like this. Why OTT?
Right. Rahul should.
Rahul will answer this question. Yeah. So you answered it really well.
Shamai Mehfil.
आपकी शब्दावली बहुत कमाल है, तो please go for it, sir.
Is it because the IB is cancelled?
Huh?
Is it because the IB didn't let you release it?
Oh,
No, we have the censor certificate. What are
We
you
have
saying?
sensitive. Yeah.
How many of you would like to see this in the theatres?
Absolutely. Without-
So there's a
I know, but that was for
donation
free.
box outside.
Would you pay? I can tell you this: the psychology of an audience that pays and watches a movie versus an audience that comes in for free is vastly different. It's vastly different. You really need to work hard to keep the paying public entertained. That's why I asked the question. So listen. As far as we're concerned, we answered 16 interviews today, and the question was asked, and we said, almost in unison, whether it's a street play or whether it's a multi-million-dollar extravaganza on screen, we are propelled by story, role, character, co-actors, director, writing. And if all of this sits together, we'd walk anywhere to do anything.
200%.
The only other thing that we would like to add, which perhaps others don't, is that it's so transpired, we never chatted about it, but all three of us are very certain we want to work with people who are also good human beings.
In separate interviews, you've said that to, you know,
Not just great actors or talented directors or writers, but people are good human beings. And I've had my fair share of people who I've worked with who are not great human beings, and it wasn't fun. And then what the hell are you doing all this for? Because, you know, at the end of the day, what's it going to get you? It has to be, the experience has to be dense, rich, and life affirming. If that you're prepared to forsake for some illusory award or money later on, you're just absolutely never going to understand the meaning of life. This is it. So for us, this, and we're not faking our enthusiasm here.
Yeah.
This is actually fun because you know, I love these guys. It's been a privilege.
Love you too, sir. Love you too. So guys, before we finish, I don't know, just in case Ishwak or Atul sir or Rahul sir wants to thank anyone personally. First of all, thank you all so much for turning up and blessing the film. If I want to specifically say something, my in-laws are here. Thank you so much for tolerating me. And one more person I really want to mention. He was the first and the only person who recommended me to do professional theatre in Delhi. He's here and I'm meeting him after almost 10 years maybe. Nishant Puri sir, thank you so much. I think Nishant sir, thank you so much for pushing me कि यार तू theatre कर पहले जाके. Thank you so much, and this is the first time I'm meeting him after that. So yeah,
The first play was Hello Dolly.
yeah, absolutely. So thank you so much guys for all the love and
Padma Shri to Apar's in-laws.
for only tolerating me. Forget acting. Only for tolerating. Absolutely.